So in today's video, we're going to be talking about this little guy right here, this sticker, and why it pisses so many people off. What is up, Crown Vic Crew? Welcome back to another video. I hope all of you guys are having a good day. And yes, for anyone wondering, this video is being filmed the same day that I uploaded my last video. But anyway, I wanted to make this video, probably also going to be a shorter video, but I was reading through some of my comments last night, and the video that got over 360,000 views. Thank you guys again so much for, the support on that video and all. I also got, I got some hate on it, people saying, oh, cop want to be police impersonation and all that good stuff. But one thing that kind of stood out that someone actually recently commented on that video, which kind of irked me a little bit, was about this sticker right here. Because also in that video, I did get my new high quality police interceptor sticker. This one right here. Because as you guys can see, my old one kind of ripped, so I was like, you know what, let me get the higher quality one. And I guess someone saw that and commented on it. And they basically said, why would you spend money on a sticker that is illegal, or something like that, something very stupid like that. Who commented this wasn't the first. I've seen this comment pop up numerous times in that video. Why do you have the police interceptor badge? It is technically illegal because it has the word police in it. You got to rip that off. If a cop sees you, he's going to pull you over, this and that and this and that. Well, hate to burst your bubble, but that is 100% false. These come 100% factory from Ford themselves. This is not the Crown Victoria, okay? I know what some of you guys are thinking right now. Oh my gosh, I need to unsubscribe right now before I start to lose brain cells. No, seriously, this is the Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. This is the Police Interceptor trim level, okay? This is not just a regular Crown Vic. You got the, for example, you got the Crown Vic, you got the Crown Vic LX, you got the Crown Vic Sport, or LX Sport or something like that, and then you got the Crown Vic Police Interceptor. This is the trim level. So technically it's just not the Crown Vic, it is the Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. Some people really do think that, departments buy these cars plain, just as a regular Crown Vic, and then they put the Steelies on, and then they put the, honeycomb grill and the black rear facial, and they buy these stickers and put them on. These stickers come 100% factory from Ford themselves. Okay, this isn't an aftermarket thing that, departments put on their cars, you know what I mean? So when people say you should rip that off, that's illegal, that's not illegal. There's nothing wrong with it. Yes, it does say the word police on it, but this is technically the trim level of the car. Now, I don't remember where. I don't know if it was on the registration of the car or the title of the car. It does say, trim level. It does say Police Interceptor or POL and then INT, shortened for Police Interceptor or something like that. I don't remember exactly where it was. Same thing goes for the Ford Explorer and the Ford Taurus. They're technically not called the Ford Explorer, and it's technically not called the Ford Taurus. The police models are called the Ford Police Interceptor Utility, and the Taurus is called the Ford Police Interceptor Sedan. But all on the back of those cars, it all does say Police Interceptor, because that is Ford's trim line for their police vehicles. That is what they're called, Police Interceptors. There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing illegal with it. Yes, it does say the word police on it, but that is technically the trim level of the vehicle. There's nothing illegal about it. You don't need to take it off. If someone says, oh, you need to take that off, you're going to get pulled over. No. And here's a perfect example of a story right now. I once heard a story of a cop who pulled somebody over in one of these cars, and he told them to rip off their police interceptor badge because it said police on it. Basically, the guy wasn't having it, so he took the cop to court, and the cop lost in court. The guy won because there's nothing wrong with it. This is the factory sticker that comes with the vehicle. This is the name of the vehicle, so there's nothing wrong with that. It's factory. He, basically told it to the judge or the magistrate or whatever, and, they went back and forth, and the guy won because there's nothing wrong with it. That's the name of the vehicle. Done deal. Now, I could see why people really don't like us having this sticker because it does say the word police on it, but I mean, come on, guys, really, look how small of a badge that is, really. I mean, is it really that big of a deal? And what somebody once told me on here on my YouTube channel once I first started YouTube, he said the only people that have problems with us driving this car are the people who have issues with law enforcement. So, the people who hate us the most, who hate us Crown Vic enthusiasts, even though I just love this car, I don't have any sirens, I don't have any police lights, strobes. Yeah, it looks like a cop car. but it is 100% perfectly legal. I don't have anything in, on, or around my car that is illegal. People who hate us the most are the people who have issues or have a bad history with law enforcement. What do I mean by that? They go fast, they get pulled over all the time, they get a lot of tickets, this and that. Maybe they have arguments back and forth with police, stuff like that. So for example, if I'm driving on the highway, they see me coming on the highway, they're gonna slow down, and then as soon as they look inside and like, oh my gosh, it's just a kid driving, they start speeding up, and then they call us a cop, wannabe police impersonator, this and that. If you're not doing anything wrong in the first place, whether I'm a cop or not, you shouldn't be worried at all. So in conclusion, yes, it does say police. Yes, oh my gosh, that's so bad. And people will probably still try to argue and say, no, that is illegal. It says the word police on it. You're not supposed to have anything that says the word police on your vehicle. It is technically illegal. It is this and that, blah, blah, blah. But yes, this is the name of the vehicle. There's nothing wrong with this. I know tons of people who have these stickers on their car. It is the trim level of the vehicle. It wouldn't make sense, for example, to go up to that Acura and take off the LX badge or whatever it has just because someone doesn't like it or says, oh, that doesn't belong in the car. This belongs on the car. This is the trim level of the vehicle. It comes factory from Ford, just like this. And I'm pretty sure it is a law that they cannot tell you to take something off that comes by factory. If it's aftermarket, that is a different thing. But this is the name of the car. This one, yes, is aftermarket, but this is the name of the vehicle, so there's nothing wrong with it. Alright, so I now want you guys to let me know down below in the comments if you've ever been told to take off your sticker for whatever ridiculous reason. Like I said again, I've never gotten any negative comments, feedback, anything in real life with my car. Everyone that sees my car thinks it's really cool. They think it's really unique that I'm driving something, you know, so different from all the other cars on the road. And then it got to YouTube, and then, you know, here come the haters. Now, thankfully, my channel's been pretty much far from haters, but I do get comments every now and then that says, why do you drive an ex-cop car that's so stupid? Why do you have a push bar that's so stupid? This and that. You know what? It is what it is. People are gonna hate. Let them hate. But let me know if you guys ever gotten, you know, any hate comments or anyone that just gave you a hard time about taking off your police interceptor badge because it says the word police on it. Oh my gosh, that's a trim level of the car. You gotta take that off. But yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy. Short little video again. Just wanted to throw it out there for anyone who watches my my videos who is interested in buying a Crown Vic. Like I said again, my videos are all about, you know, raising awareness for this car and, you know, kind of reviving this car. And a lot of people, because they watch my videos, they want to go out and buy a Crown Vic, which means a lot to me. So I don't want you guys to, you know, go out there and hear someone say, oh, you got to take that sticker off, it's illegal. This is not illegal. This is 100% factory from Ford. There's nothing wrong about it. So don't listen to anybody that tells you to take it off. If you do, like I said again, I've never gotten anything negative in real life. But I'm going to shut up now. I hope you guys do enjoy. Go out and enjoy your day. It is a beautiful day out. I wish I wasn't sick. I would actually go out and do something, film a vlog or something, but I'm not feeling myself today. But anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and smash that subscribe button. We are halfway to 7,000 subscribers. And on that note, I will see all of you guys in the next one.